citizen protection. Bringing government closer to the people, sub-county administrations. Madam Speaker and honorable members, we have moved from promises to brick and mortar implementation. Through our one government approach, we are constructing a modern sub-county administrative offices blocks that consolidate devolved services, health, water, agriculture, education under one roof, just to mention a few. Our progress is clear. There's Kadhiani sub-county office, which is 95%, Masinga sub-county, 50%, Matungulu sub-county, 45%, and Didine sub-county office. Our commitment is to farm. Every financial year, we will construct 2 additional sub-county blocks until every resident can access services locally, efficiently, and with dignity. Devolution must not require transport fare. It must reach the citizens. Ngarisha Mtaa na Mama, cleanliness with purpose. Madam Speaker and honorable members, our environment is our heritage and our youth are our responsibility. Through the Ngarisha Mtaa na Mama initiative, aligned with the Machakos County Environment Act of 2022, we have created structured green jobs for youth, women, and persons with disability. To date, 1,200 young people across Masinga, Yata, Kadhiani, Mwala are actively engaged. This program is more than waste management. It is crime prevention, it is drug abuse intervention, it is economic empowerment. When young people earn their dignity, communities become safer and stronger. Madam Speaker, Machakos County has become a model of accountable governance. In April 2024, we joined the Open Governance Partnership, OGP, committing ourselves to transparency and civic participation. In 2025, our reforms earned international recognition through the Voice Business Summit and Achievers Award. And I had the honor of representing Machakos globally in Brazil. We had the honor of representing Machakos in Brazil under the OGP program. We are the only county in Kenya to achieve this level of international validation in civic accountability. Further, our strong institution performance enabled us to qualify for the Level 1 grant under the World Bank funded Kenya Devolution Support Program, KDSP, having met all performance and accountability standards. Integrity delivers results. Inspectorate and enforcement reforms. Madam Speaker, economic growth thrives where there is law and order. When I assumed office, Inspectorate Department was undersourced. Today, we have increased personnel from 216 to 413 officers, targeting 995 for full coverage. We trained 200 recruits in professionalism, communication, and discipline. Re-equipped and rebranded departments, eliminating imposters and restoring public trust. We have strengthened enforcement while upholding dignity and fairness. Firefighting emergency services, and disaster management. Madam Speaker and honorable members, emergency response is measured in minutes, and minutes save lives. From the outset of my administration, we resolved that Machakos would build a modern, professional, and international benchmark emergency response system. With my first 100 days, we initiated construction of Chumbi Fire Station and Rescue Center. Along this Nairobi-Mombasa highway, today it stands as a regional center of excellence. As a result, response time within the corridor has reduced to under 10 minutes. Rescue coordination in Mavoko and surrounding growth areas has significantly improved. Machakos ranked the first among 47 counties in 2022-2023 in the emergency response performance standards, earning recognition from the First Responders Support Network internationally. For the first time since devolution, we recruited 20 additional professional firefighters, restored 2 fire engines grounded for 3 years, refurbished fire stations in Mavoko and Matu, equipped personnel with modern gear and protective equipment. Our teams have undergone advanced training in hazardous materials handling, industrial firefighting, rope rescue, water search and rescue, and confined space operations. We are no longer reactive. We are prepared. As Machakos grows economically and industrially, we continue to expand emergency infrastructure, modernize equipment, and strengthen disaster preparedness framework to ensure no life is lost due to delayed response. Madam Speaker, devolution in Machakos is not a rhetoric. It is infrastructure and it is employment. It is transparency. It is safety. We are building structures. We are empowering communities. We are protecting lives. We are restoring trust in public services. Together, we are building a safer, cleaner, more accountable, and more prosperous Machakos County. And together, we shall continue moving forward. Madam Speaker and honorable members, my administration remains anchored in the fundamental truth that government is about presence. We are not merely managing a county. We are honoring our 2010 Constitution by dismantling the barriers between the high offices and the humble citizens. The one government approach